In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Sheets using add-ons. By the end, you'll have your Notion data flowing into a Google Sheet and updating on a schedule, so you can analyze, share, or report without manual copy and paste. First, install the add-on. Open a Google Sheet, then go to the top menu and choose Extensions, Add-ons, and get Add-ons. In the Marketplace, search for the tool you prefer, such as Sync to Sheets or Coefficient. Check the description and permissions so you know what data it can access. Then click Install. If prompted, allow the necessary permissions so the add-on can run inside your spreadsheet. Next, authorize Notion. Back in your Google Sheet, open the add-on from the Extensions menu and click Connect or Authorize to link your Notion account. A secure authorization window will appear. Make sure you are using the correct Notion workspace, especially if you have access to more than one. When prompted, select the specific pages or databases you want the add-on to access. It's best to grant access only to what you need. You can always come back later to adjust these permissions if your project changes. Now choose the Notion database you want to link. This is the database whose rows and properties you'll bring into Google Sheets. If your database has multiple views in Notion, know that the sync typically targets the underlying database, not just the filtered view. Unless the add-on specifies otherwise, map your fields so the data lands exactly where you expect. Select which Notion properties should correspond to specific columns in your Google Sheet. Make sure your sheet has clear headers and aligned text, number, date, and checkbox types to suitable columns. If you have multi-selects, relations, or formulas, check how your add-on formats them so you can interpret them correctly. If you only want to sync certain rows, set filters. For example, you might include only items with a particular status or only entries updated after a certain date. Filtering keeps your spreadsheet focused and faster to refresh. Run the initial sync by clicking Import or Run. You'll see your data populate the sheet. Take a moment to confirm the row count. Spot check a few records and fix any column mismatches by adjusting the field mapping if needed. Finally, enable automation, set a refresh schedule hourly, daily, or whatever suits your workflow, so your sheet stays up to date automatically. That's it. You've connected Notion to Google Sheets using add-ons, mapped your fields, and set it to refresh on a schedule. Thanks for watching.